Hello all. So this is Om Prakash Yadav. Now I am going to solve one more problem on the velocity analysis. For this mechanism I am going to do the analysis by taking some data. Means I am going to solve a binumerical, not Hawaii. Let us take the data and solve it completely, and also you do the calculation. So this is our mechanism. So to get the series of lecture, you can subscribe the channel, okay, and you can press the bell icon so that you can get notified for the new lecture. Okay, let us come on. This is OA, which is crime. This is link AB. This is BEC, and this is what CD. This D is slider. Distance between these two horizontal line is 100 mm, and their dimension is given. This OA is 200 mm, this AB is equal to 1500 mm, this BE is equal to 400 mm, and this BC is equal to 600 mm, not 60. This is 600 mm, and then this CD is equal to 500 mm. So this all the dimensions are given, and the distance between O and E is 1350. 1350 mm. So just this configuration diagram can be drawn. So first of all, you take some suitable scale and draw the configuration diagram just by taking some suitable scale. First you draw a horizontal line, then you take point O at 35 degree, make a line, cut it 200 mm in scale. So you have got the point A. Then from here, so also this point E can be fixed from here at 1350 100 mm, or distance from this E you can cut a 400. This is 400. From here you cut 1500, and from here 400. So point B is fixed. Now on the extension of this line at the 600 is point C. Now at 100 mm horizontal line you cut A. CD is equal to 500 to get the point D, and you make the slider, it is C. So you can draw the configuration diagram in that way. Also you are aware that how to draw the configuration diagram. So first of all, by taking some suitable scale, you draw the configuration diagram. After drawing the configuration diagram, you draw the velocity diagram. For the velocity diagram, you take some reference point. So I have taken this as a reference point. So that is denoting the fixed point. So this O is fixed and A is fixed. Also this point is fixed, not the D. D is moving. Okay. So this is showing the fixed point. Then what you have to do, all the capital letter in the configuration diagram is represented by corresponding small letter. That is also okay. Next thing is that you take some suitable scale. So what scale I have taken? I have taken 1 meter per second is equal to 1 centimeter to draw the velocity diagram. That is, I have taken 1:1 scale. Then before drawing, you have to calculate velocity of at least 1 point. So what is the angular velocity of this OA? OA is equal to 120 RPM. So convert into radian per second. So omega OA is equal to this 2 pi n divided by 60. So 4 pi. So this omega OA is equal to how much you are getting? You are getting omega OA is equal to 12.566 radian per second. If you know the angular velocity of this link OA, then velocity of point A can be calculated. So this velocity of point A is equal to this OA into its angular velocity. So this OA into omega OA. So this OA is 200. So in meter will be 0.2 into omega OA is 12.566. So I am getting velocity of point A is equal to I am getting 2.513 meter per second. So I am getting velocity of point A is equal to 2.13 meter per second. This is rotating in clockwise direction, so of course that will be perpendicular to OA and in this direction. Now I am going to draw the velocity diagram. Now going to draw the velocity diagram. Look at here. Sit at the point O and see to the point A. Directly now I am going to draw the velocity diagram. Not going to give the procedure. Now if you have seen my previous two videos, then you will be able to do what I am doing now. Okay, let us see. So I am sitting at the point A, O, and I am looking to the point A. Then velocity of point A will be perpendicular to OA and in the direction of rotation. So OA के perpendicular में in the direction of rotation, तो नीचे की ओर होगा. आपने O से देखा तो O से ड्रॉ करेंगे. क्या ड्रॉ करेंगे? परपेंडिकुलर टू OA. अब परपेंडिकुलर टू OA ड्रॉ करेंगे. कितना ड्रॉ करेंगे? 2.5. You have taken 1:1 scale, so 2.5 centimeter. So I have drawn this 2.5 centimeter. Let us say this is 2.5. So you are getting this point A. So what this is showing? This is showing velocity of point A in magnitude and in direction. Okay, very good. Now I am going to see the point B. हमने A को देखा, B को देखेंगे. B को कहाँ से देखेंगे? A से देखेंगे. A से देखेंगे तो ड्रॉ कहाँ से करेंगे? A से ड्रॉ करेंगे. Very good. A से ड्रॉ करेंगे. So when you are looking to the point B by sitting at the point A, then velocity of point B with respect to A will be perpendicular to AB. So AB के perpendicular आप लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. आपने A से देखा तो A से ड्रॉ करेंगे. Perpendicular to AB. Draw a line just perpendicular to AB. Draw a line perpendicular to this AB. So I have drawn. You can draw by set square or by using the mini drafter. So anyway, so this is what line perpendicular to AB. When we are looking to the point B from A, then its velocity will be perpendicular to AB. तो A से हमने perpendicular to AB line draw किया. अभी हमारा point B fix नहीं हुआ. अब B को E से देखते हैं. E is again fixed. तो कहाँ से ड्रा करेंगे? यहाँ से ड्रा करेंगे. जब आप E से बैठ के देखेंगे, then velocity of point B will be perpendicular to BE. Perpendicular to B. आपने E से देखा तो E से ड्रा करेंगे. E से ड्रा करेंगे. क्या ड्रा करेंगे? Perpendicular to this BE line. So draw a line which is what? Perpendicular to BE. Perpendicular to B. तो ये दोनों लाइन जहां पे कट करेंगे, that point will be B. The intersection of these two line will be B. इसको आप कंप्लीट कर दो. Now you join this by complete line because you have fixed the point B. So slowly you are making the velocity diagram. So what this line is showing, this OE, this is showing the velocity of point B. Absolute velocity of point B because I am taking from the fix. And what is this? What this line is showing? This is showing the velocity of point B with respect to A. This is what velocity of point B with respect to A. Yeah, velocity of A with respect to B. So what will be direction of velocity of B with respect to A from A to B? So its direction will be A to B in the velocity diagram. I have explained in first lecture that what will be direction. What will be direction of VAB? Just reverse of that. So I have fixed this point of B also. Now let us take the point C. So you are looking that this point C is on the extension of this B. Where is B? Small b in the velocity diagram is this. So this point C will be similarly on the extension of this line. Will be on the extension of this line. Will be on the extension of this line. So how to calculate this? How to calculate this? So this can be calculated in that way. Look at here. So this BC divided by B. This BC divided by BE. BC divided by B. So if the velocity diagram, there is small letter, this BC divided by BE. BC divided by B. Suppose C इधर कुछ आएगा. अब आपको BC की वैल्यू निकालना है. So what will be BC is equal to BE. this BC divided by B. Look at here, by the measurement, this B can be measured by using a scale. You can measure what is the value of BE. When you measure, you will get BE is equal to how much? So B की value कितनी है? Just I am looking that how much is the value of BE. This is what 3.3. This is 3.3 and BC is equal to how much? This is 600 and this B is equal to how much? This is 400. This is 400. So you can calculate how much is the value of BC. How much is the value of BC? So this BC can be calculated. So what you are getting BC is equal to 4.8. You will get this is equal to 4.8 centimeter. 4.8 centimeter. So from here you cut 4.8 centimeter. So you are getting this point C. So you join this line. So you have fixed the point C. So from here to here, this will be absolute velocity of point C. From here to here, this is what? This is from fixed. So this is what the absolute velocity of point C. Now I am going to C to the point D from C. C से D को देखने जा रहा, then velocity of point D will be perpendicular to CD. कहाँ से देखा? C से. So C से perpendicular line draw करेंगे क्या? CD. Draw a line perpendicular to CD because velocity of point D with respect to C will be perpendicular to CD. C से देखा तो आप C से perpendicular line draw करिए. Let us draw a line perpendicular to this. So you are not in a position to fix the point D. तो अब D को आप कहीं और से देखो. अब हम D को fix से बैठ के देखने जा रहे हैं. All the fix are at one place here. तो fix पे बैठ के देखेंगे तो आप क्या देखेंगे? Horizontal direction में point D reciprocate कर रहा है. Horizontal direction में move कर रहा है. तो यहाँ से horizontal direction में line draw करेंगे. यहाँ से horizontal direction में line draw करेंगे. जहां पे ये दोनों कट करेंगे that will be the point D. That will be the point D. Now you can join this by the complete line. Okay. So this is your complete velocity diagram. What is this? This is the absolute velocity of point D. This is the from here to here. This is the absolute velocity of point D, magnitude and direction. And what is this? This is the velocity of point C with respect to D. That will be from D to C. So this is what velocity of point C with respect to D, or you can say velocity of point D with respect to C. Its direction will be reverse to this one. Okay. Next part is calculation. Next part is calculation. So let us see that what they are asking. Let us see that what they are asking. What they are asking. So in the question he is asking velocity of point B, velocity of point C and velocity of point D, angular velocity of link AB, angular velocity of link BC and angular velocity of link CD. So this much information they want. So let us do the calculation. Let us do the calculation step by step. So what will be velocity of point B? Velocity of point B. This is point B. So this OB into scale. So this will be what? OB into scale. So this OB is equal to 3.3. Just you take a scale and a measure. So from the measurement I am getting 3.3. And the scale is 1:1, so directly you will get the answer. Just to measure and get the answer. So this velocity of point B is equal to 3.3 meter per second. Now velocity of point C is asking. So where is point C? This is point C. So absolute means you take from the fixed. So this OC into scale. So this OC into scale. So velocity of point C, OC is equal to 1.5 into 1, that is 1.5 meter per second. Then velocity of point D, where is point D? This is D. So OD into scale. This OD into scale. So how much is OD? This is a 1.1 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter per second. So you are getting 1.1 meter per second. This is velocity of point D. Now you want angular velocity of this link AB, so you find out VAB or VBA. Velocity of point B with respect to A is equal to AB into scale. So AB into scale, just to measure. So I am getting AB is equal to what? 4.2 into 1. So this is what? 4.2 meter per second. So this is the velocity of point B with respect to A. So angular velocity of link AB or BA is equal to this VBA divided by AB or BA. So this is what? 4.2 divided by this AB is equal to 1500. So 1.5 meter. By solving you are getting 2.8. So this is what? 2.8 radian per second. So angular velocity of link AB is equal to 2.8 radian per second. Now I am going to find out the angular velocity of link BC. Angular velocity of link BC. So for that you need VBC. So what will be VBC is equal to, look at where is point B? This is point B, this is C. So this will be VBC. From B to C will be VBC. So this BC into a scale. So BC is how much? This is 4.8. Into scale is 1. So I am getting 4.8 meter per second. So velocity of point B with respect to C is this much. So what will be omega BC is equal to VBC divided by BC. Just to take the magnitude, so this is 4.8 divided by this BC, and this BC is 600, so 0.6. So this omega BC is equal to omega BC is equal to how much you are getting now? 8 radian per second. So you are getting 8 radian per second. 8 radian per second. Now let us see that what he is asking. Angular velocity of link CD means you have to calculate VCD. So VCD is equal to CD into scale. So where is C? Where is D? So this is a CD. So this is CD. So CD by measurement I am getting a 1.0 into scale is 1. So this VCD is equal to this 1 meter per second. So angular velocity of link CD is equal to VCD divided by CD, that is 1 divided by CD. CD is 500 mm in meter, 0.5, that is what? 2 radian per second. So angular velocity of link CD is equal to 2 radian per second. So slowly you have calculated all. So what you have calculated? Velocity of point A, velocity of point B. This is point B, velocity of point C, velocity of point D, velocity of B with respect to A, velocity of B with respect to C, velocity of B with respect to C, and also you have calculated angular velocity of link AB, BC and CD. So all you have calculated. Just if you are in a position to draw the velocity diagram, तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, 2-3 पॉइंट को ध्यान देना है. जहां से देखेंगे वहीं से ड्रॉ करेंगे, जहां से देखेंगे वहीं से ड्रॉ करेंगे, वहीं से ड्रॉ करेंगे, ठीक है. और तो कभी कभी एक ही पॉइंट से बैठ के देखने से फिक्स हो जाएगा पॉइंट, कभी कभी नहीं होगा, तो उसको 2 जगहों से देखना पड़ेगा. एटलीस्ट कितने जगहों से देखना पड़ेगा? दो जगहों से देखना पड़ेगा. So in that way, by moving from one input to other, you can completely draw the velocity diagram. Okay, but you take care of scale also. What scale you have taken, just you have to multiply to get the answer. Okay, thank you very much.